Hi everyone, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you. So I got this beautiful package right here. So the woman who I was in contact with and the creator of Arra, her name is Aradhana. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. I know it's kind of hard to pronounce, but for now I will call her Arra. And this is what arrived in the mail, and I was way too excited to wait to film this. I just love unboxing things, and when things come in the mail I just have to open them right away. I was in contact with Arra on Instagram. We connected there, we had a chat. She's such a lovely woman. She creates these beautiful jewelry pieces, absolutely stunning. They're handcrafted and I love them. I love the story behind why she created these jewelry pieces. She was inspired by her mom and her grandmother, which I hold very dear to my heart, because with my art pieces sometimes I do make that connection with my mom and my grandmother, so I really love that part of the brand. So I'm just gonna unbox this now. So inside is this beautiful pink packaging. Oh wow. So it's a bag. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at this. I love this coral salmon color. It has an A for Arra, of course, and I love the fabric, and the gold is just such a nice touch, and I love the beading. I love that she just puts so much effort and thinks about all the details on the side here. It just brings it to that extra level. Anyone could just put, you know, a plain bag, but with the stamp here, the gold and the beads, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she has put in here a ring and a set of earrings. Oh my goodness. This is just stunning. Oh my gosh. Can you just look how beautiful this is? Oh wow. And you know, it's got this part here which keeps it all together. Wow, that is stunning. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the colors. I've never seen anything like this, the way it's crafted, how it's attached like that. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna open up the earrings. Oh my goodness. That is just beautiful, and they kind of match the ring a little bit here. Oh my gosh, wow, look how stunning these are. I love that there's different tones of blues, greens, and yellows all in this. It's so beautiful, so glamorous, and like casual and dressed up. I'm gonna put these on right now. I'm sorry, my hair is just a mess, but I'm just way too excited about this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have not worn like big dangly earrings in a long time, but like these, I love. Oh my gosh. Aradhana, thank you so much. Oh, I love them. Look at this. How beautiful. Oh wow. That is just divine. This just elevated this outfit so much. Like, I was just wearing like plain gold hoop earrings, but this just takes my outfit to that next level. Oh my gosh, it just made everything so glamorous. I love them. These are stunning. Thank you so much. Beautiful pieces. Wow, like I love them so much. I'm a very picky person when it comes to jewelry, so it's kind of hard for me to pick out things that I like, but this is just love them. I will definitely be like shopping on here. Okay, so this is her Instagram. I'll have it on the screen as well, but she just makes all this beautiful jewelry and I am obsessed. and she is so sweet, and I'm so glad that we connected, and 100% I'm gonna be supporting her because these are just divine. Oh my gosh, perfect for like birthday, Christmas gifts. Yes, guys, you need to check her out. This is not sponsored by any means, but honestly, check her out. You won't be disappointed. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. And guys, if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is live, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks guys, and thank you, Aradhana.